Hello everyone, today let's talk about how to properly use the throttle on your motorcycle. A lot of new motorcyclists when they start riding end up holding the throttle like this. Now when they hold the throttle like this and their fingers are under the brake levers of the motorcycle. Now in that case when they have to apply emergency braking, the levers are a little away in reach from the fingers, and when they have to use emergency braking, the fingers might get stuck with the levers. Well, the ideal way is to keep your hand completely straight in perpendicular with the handlebar and then use the throttle. Now when you do that, your fingers have quicker access to the brake levers. Secondly, never hold the throttle with all four of your fingers. Keep your index finger and the middle finger on the lever and your ring finger and the pinky finger on the throttle. So in that case, you have enough control on the throttle, and parallelly you have your fingers on the brake to use them in case of an emergency. A lot of riders complain that after riding for a long time, their palms start aching or their palm is having too much pressure on the throttle. Well, to avoid that, we recommend to start using grip puppies. These are foam grips and work excellently well, avoiding vibrations on the handlebar and causing lesser pressure on the palm. Well, I hope this video helps. Cheers.